Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys. Surprise, surprise. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I was finally able to find more of these block letters. I drove around everywhere looking for them. They're back in stock. I guess this is like a spring thing because now I see them in every store. So I managed to get the letters that I finally wanted. I'm really happy that they brought these mirrors back. I really thought that these mirrors were going to be like the Dollar Tree unicorn that were only placed out once and then disappeared. So I'm really happy that they have them. I've seen them close to every store that I've gone to in different patterns. I also purchased another one of these signs. They're cute, but of course I'm going to use it for a DIY. The last DIY that I did with this was the Christmas one where I turned it into a little stocking station, and I just love the faux wood. Speaking of wood, I purchased one of these little wood shop projects. This one you can turn into a little birdhouse. I just think this is a really cool project to do with kids, or if you want to turn it into something else. I love that this time of year they have a lot more organizational items out. So I saw this giant Tupperware and I really like it. I have so many nail things and I have them all in little Tupperwares, so I really like the size of this for the packs of nails, like the big packs, or even in your kitchen to store certain things. This is really nice and a really nice size for $1. A vacuum storage bag. I've been dying to try this. I've heard really good reviews about the Dollar Tree ones, but it only comes in this one size, at least in all the stores that I've seen, so hopefully I can get a good amount of things to fit in here. Another makeup organizer. I love when they bring the organizers out. If you look these up on Amazon, you'll find them for like $20, which is ridiculous. Of course, theirs are a little bigger, but buying 2 of these still is worth getting a $20 Amazon one. Pineapples. Y'all know how I am with pineapples. I absolutely love them. This is a little pineapple wristlet. I will probably use it to hold some makeup when I'm on the go, but I think it's such a cute pattern and it feels really nice too. I purchased more of the Lysol cleaner. I love this stuff, and especially now that we're moving from place to place temporarily, I don't like buying full-size products because traveling with this is such a mission. So I really enjoy when they have smaller travel size things, and this is an 8-ounce bottle, so it's actually bigger than travel size. I always purchase toothbrushes at the Dollar Tree, not necessarily for me, but I like to keep them in my guest bathroom just in case anybody has to spend the night or anything happens. There's a clean new toothbrush for them. I purchased more of these stiletto nails. I really like the shape. I don't necessarily love the patterns of these, and they are not as strong as buying your own pair of stiletto nails, but I don't know, when I see them, I have to purchase them. And I really like doing videos where I transform them. I know I haven't done them in a while, but at least I'll have them on hand when I'm ready. And speaking of nails, I got these nail stickers. I usually don't really love the pattern that Dollar Tree carries, but these are super duper cute and funky, and I really can't wait to use them. I thought this was really cool. It is a My Little Pony magic art scratcher. So honestly, I don't know if this is a one-time use thing, but I love the fact that it's My Little Pony, so I'm just dying to give it to my daughter already. Anyway, that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed the haul. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be on the lookout for, and thank you so much for sticking with me. Till next time.